What if the library doesn't have the book you're looking for? Perhaps there's also no ebook version available to you. Don't panic. There is a solution to that called interlibrary loan. What is an interlibrary loan? It's when you borrow the book from another library. This service works for residential students who are able to physically pick up the item in one of our two libraries, Alcuin or Clemens. First, go to the library website. You can find this using the Tools menu on the main campus website. In the search box, type the title of the book. For example, if you want the book Just Ministry, Professional Ethics for Church Ministry by an author named Richard Gula, you might type Just Ministry and Gula. Since the title doesn't seem to pop up right away at the top, like it would if we owned this book or if we had an ebook license, we'll change the sort to Best Match. That first book now looks like the right one. Note, it doesn't say held by College of St. Benedict, St. John's University. Instead, it says held by Minitex, which means another library in our region has it. Click the title. Next, click Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. If you're asked to log in, fill in your ID and password. For pickup location, you can choose between Alcuin and Clemens. Click the Submit Request button. At this point, the book will be put in queue to be requested from another library by the library's Access Services team. Look for an email telling you when the item is ready to be picked up. It's usually available within a week in most cases. Since due dates for interlibrary loan items can vary, pay attention to the due date when you pick up the book and make sure you return it on time. You can always contact Access Services if you wish to request a renewal, which can often, but not always, be done for you. Thank you for watching this library tutorial. Please visit our website for more information.